Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something absolutely stunning to review, and it's none other than the pure Happy Dolla mixed gold zari bordered sari. Can you believe it? And the best part is it's only just rupees 1850. Just look at the execute craftsmanship and detail on this sari. The pure Happy Dolla mixed gold zari work is simply breathtaking. It add a touch of elegance and granule date perfect for any occasion. The best thing about this sari is its versatility. You can wrap it in so many different styles, creating unique looks every time you wear it. Whether it's a festive celebration or a wedding, this sari will definitely make you stand out in the crowd. And let's not forget about the beautiful zari border. It add that extra touch of sophistication, making it a timeless piece that will never go out of style. The traditional Banarasi zari work is known for its intricate designs and superb craftsmanship. Now let's see this beauty in action. Look now. How effortlessly it drapes and how it accentuates the wherever beauty. The rich gold color is sure to make you shine and feel like a true queen. But it's not just the design that amazing. The fabric is also of the highest quality, made from a mix heavy dola and a luster gold zari. It feels incredible soft against the skin and draped like a dream. To complete the look, we recommend pair it with some stunning traditional jewelry and statement necklace. A pair of jhumka and some bangles will add the perfect finishing touch to your assemble. So there you have it. The pure heavy dola mixed zari border sari. It's just 1850. It's an absolutely still for such a masterpiece. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and trends. Happy shopping guys, and we'll see you soon. If you want to purchase this sari, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.